Right before Patty's surgery, I went in to wish her good luck, and they were looking at noses and stuff, so I popped down, and we were trying to figure out which nose would be best and which one we liked and didn't like. No. I like hers. I like hers. A little bit nervous, but mostly just excited and ready. Was not planning on these jobs the whole time. Really
Get the kitty. She went over this way, goofy head. She came over here. Felice. Kitty, over here. Over there.
And to find a boy. So I'm sure there's no doubt that this will help her with her self-confidence and having more self-confidence.
Peaches, no.
Well, good luck tomorrow.
Scared.
No.
Coming up.
No, kitty.
No.
Say no, no, kitty. Careful. Over there. She went over there. She went in there. Get the kitty. Kitty went in there. Over there. Over there. Look over here. Look. Felice right here. Felice right here. Felice right there. Right there. There's a kitty. The cat's gonna like attack her. Get the kitty, Felice. Get the kitty. Stand up. Stand up. Get the kitty. There it goes. Felice, no. No. That's the kitty food. There goes the kitty. Puppy's gonna get the kitty.
Here! Come here! Come here! Here!